Okay, time to feed the boys. Let's see. Diego, are you ready? A little bit difficult carrying it all. Yeah, that's a bucket breaking. It's heavy. Are you ready, Enzo? Let's see you catch the first one. Here it is. Are you ready? There you go. And Diego, he say, throw it, I'll catch it later. That's the way he does it. Mother cat is here. Smarty Pants right here. Let's give Enzo his second one. And his third one. And Diego his second one. And his third one. And then I've got 3 for the cat. Now lately I've been giving them it right, not by the car, but just through this little gate. And then the dogs can still have access to the area by the tigers, or next to the tigers, without eating all the cat's food. There you go. Ones for the cats are more like the ones that humans can actually eat. I do pick them for them. Well, they eventually end up by the tigers in any way. But little cutie and cats like that, and little Opal, how can I expect them to eat stuff that looks gross? So they get the nice ones, and the ones that I take my time on. The tigers, well, they don't really care. They have already ate it already. Look at that. Let me just close up over here. There goes Oreo Diego. Yeah, he's turned really naughty. Oh, Diego. Come and show us what's there in your teeth. Huh, Diego? We're just looking, Diego. I'm quite far from you. I'm not even close. Yeah, he's enjoying it. Doesn't even have time to growl. Hey, Diego, no time for a growl there. Just one. Yeah, he's enjoying his food. He always does. It's the one thing that no one gets between. And Enzo, well, Enzo doesn't really care. He's a little bit more civilized. Spend more time with me. And people have to realize you can train a tiger to tolerate all kinds of things. But if you see a tiger that tolerates all kinds of things, you have to know that tiger was beaten to do that. They were beaten with all kinds of things, and they were too scared to act out like these are. So yeah, always keep that in mind if you see a tiger doing tricks and things, because they are vicious animals and you have to scare them and break them before they start listening. That's why I don't really go into these enclosures now, because my tigers were raised a different way. They are what they are. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Have a good day.